you hear that? Yeah. This is the sound of nature. So today I will just show you how nice and simple it can be just to get outside and spend some time outside and sleep and do some fishing, make some food. Yeah. Sometimes I just need to get out, be by myself in nature, and especially now it's a really nice period of the year when it's still minus degrees in the night, but it's decent warmth in the day. Yeah, so this is real nice, but it's up wilderness, and here down in south of Sweden it can be quite a big challenge to get in areas where there is not a lot of people, but you can find some places here and there where you will for sure be by yourself. So, but from where I live, I have to drive at least 50 minutes to get to a place like that with a nice lake, and so yeah, I will just show you some of the simple life today. So this is a quite nice place up on a little hill. It's quite nice, and there is already a little fire. So I will go on my way. This is not it. This is not it. I have another little special place I want to show you, which I really like. Let's go. This is also a real nice place. But not the best view. I like my specific view of the lake, if I'm near a lake. Yeah. Maybe some other night. beach here. Got a fireplace. Yeah, I thought I smelled some burned wood here, and yeah, I was completely right. It's still hot. I can still feel the heat there. So there has been people before me here. Good thing I am in not in the weekend, I'm in a week here, so in a weekday, so no one will come here. But yeah, it's still hot. There's some glow. Yeah, there is some glow there. Look. Yeah. You don't want that in your face, but you can see. So, and actually, if someone haven't found, the last time I was here, I stored some wood. I chopped some wood and stored away with some lighting materials. And look at that! That's my wood from a couple of weeks ago. To hide space there. Let's make some food. I'm quite hungry actually, so let's see what you're gonna eat today. Had some, of course, some water. Yeah, kilometer plate. It can be good sometimes. Let's see, here it is. Some real nice. Look at this view here. It's beautiful. Let's see what we got out. pry this up or shove it up. I'm going to shove it up for it. Look at this shock here. It's real good. When you see when the fat is like this, it just rips apart. That's when it's really good. I really like this. I eat it every day, every single day. So let's chop it up. And you can just actually tear this apart. It's not like you have to look. It's great. It's real nice. This part here, perfect. You see here, yeah, nice and tender, nice and tender. Yeah, that just slices, perfect. And this part here, very good. Here you go. Dinner is almost done. Just a little salt, two different salt actually. One Celtic salt and one American, I don't know what it's called, but it's salt from the Grand Canyon. So that means it's not polluted by all the chemicals in the ocean, and also there's no pollution in the Grand Canyon. It's old salt before that effect of human destroying the sea, so you don't get microplastics in your salt and things like that. So it can taste real good. Maybe I will save some for the grill. Maybe I will make a fire and if there's some left there. And of course we need some. This is a titanium plate, so it sticks really easy, so you need a lot of fat. And I use tallow. It's cow fat, real good, and real good for, not like those seed oils. They are not good for you. It's actually rubbish, the seed oils. So light this up. Bam. There we go. Yeah, look at that. Oh yeah. Take this piece of meat over here. Oh, look at that. That's great. roadside, yeah, you need to be more careful with hygiene, but I think it's okay. I'm pretty clean here. So. Really good. Look at all that fat. That's nutrition. Real nutrition. And all that blood, you see? It's raw inside, real nice. That's how I like it. This is just complete fat. So I think it's time, before the sun go down, to do some throws with my fishing rod. So I have almost always with me this lightweight fishing rod from, let's see where it's from, Shimano STC. So it's very lightweight. Just put it in here like this, and then extends. It's very big. It's quite good. And with this I have a lightweight fishing roll. Is that what they call it? I don't know in English. And it's also very lightweight. And it's from a brand called, this is their lightest variant from this brand. Is called, let's see, is it Fladen? I don't know, but it's real good anyway. Yeah, so just attach it here, come in two parts like this. It's really good. There's it. I always bring these little guys. In this you can't catch too big of a fish, but it's okay for one person. So, and I always also bring a extra piece of thread, roll of thread. So this will be my place to sleep tonight. I have this material. It is for protecting my sleeping pad that is quite delicate sometimes. I have it fail on me before. pretty quickly. Just listen to that. That's how one should wake up in the morning. Unfortunately, there is a road with quite a lot of traffic on the other side of the lake. So next time I will choose another spot. But hey, that's what you get when you're sleeping outside in the south of Sweden. So, but this is amazing. But if you're here in the weekend, you won't hear the road because there's no one that's driving to work and so forth. But this is a day in the week, so yeah, not too bad. So let's take a stroll in the forest, deeper into the forest. All the sounds in the morning is it's magical. to do right now is take a bath in the lake. It's really tempting, but at this time I have a condition that make me unable to do a bath in cold water without any side effects, so to say. Hopefully this will go away. But I have had it for quite some time now, but I think I will be able to do it in a couple of months, maybe 1 or 2. But yeah, still really grateful just to look at it. You can try that when you're outside and sleeping. Take a bath in the lake. Maybe make a fire to eat yourself up. Yeah, that is one of the best things you can do for yourself. You will feel real alive with really simple measures. Before I cook some water, I will do a little meditation. So before I cook some water, I will do some prayers and ground myself with meditation. It's a perfect start in the morning. And it's even more perfect when you're outside and doing the meditation. Yeah, this is so good. Look at the sun is rising on the horizon. It's not a clear day, but it's almost completely clear. It's quite a perfect spot to cook some water, make some tea, some yerba mate. It's a very special tea that contains coffee, but in a lower dose, and it's not as strong as coffee. It's more, you get alert, but calm. And it has many benefits, like increasing your plasticity in the brain. And yeah, it's not so harsh as coffee, and yeah, that's why I switched to that. Let's make some of that. While I'm waiting, I'm making some, get my electrolytes to restore your balance in the body, to retain some water. just put this in. This is what you always have to do. Bring a book when you're outside. And a good book with good teachings and good writing and thoughts and everything that is good and well for your soul and your mind and your heart. The book I'm reading right now is from Saint Peripherus, who was a Greek priest monk. He was from Mount Athos, or yeah, he went to Mount Athos in a very early age, I think like 10 or 11 years old. And Mount Athos is a holy mountain in Greece. It's the mountain has been there for, or the community of the mountain has been there for 1,000 years. There is only men who live there. And they pray every day, they fast, they live in nature or in a very simple hut. Some live together, some live by themselves outside in nature. Yeah. So this Wounded by Love, it's called The Life and the Wisdom of Saint Peripherus. He was a hero monk, that a priest monk that he lived. He's a modern saint. He died in 1991 and was glorified as a saint 2013. So, that was one night well spent. It is always worth it, even though it takes a little time to prepare and pack your bag and so forth before you go outside, but it's always worth it. It's so nice to just be outside the nature. Your mental health, your stress levels get down. You come away from all this unnecessary comfort that we have in our modern homes. Yeah, let's head back to the car. It's a somewhat a historic place. In the 1600s here in Sweden, there was some group called free shooters or friskyttarna, and this was their headquarters for a short period of time before they went out to war. And the captain most likely died in the war, the captain of the free shooters.